Running can be an effective way to lose weight, as it burns calories and can help increase your metabolism. However, it's important to also pay attention to your diet, as calorie intake plays a major role in weight loss. Here are a few tips for using running to lose weight. Start by running for just a few minutes at a time, and gradually increase your duration as you become more comfortable. Try to incorporate running into your weekly routine, and aim for at least 3 runs per week. Mix up your running routine by incorporating intervals, hill work, and longer runs to keep your body guessing and prevent plateaus. Consider tracking your progress using a fitness tracker or running app, as this can help you stay motivated and see your progress over time. Don't forget to warm up before your runs, and cool down and stretch afterwards to help prevent injuries. Find a running route that's convenient and enjoyable for you. This can help keep you motivated and make it easier to stick with your running routine. Incorporate strength training into your routine in addition to running. This can help increase your muscle mass, which can help boost your metabolism and make it easier to lose weight. Pay attention to your nutrition. While running can help you burn calories, it's important to also pay attention to the types and amounts of food you're eating. Aim for a balanced diet that's high in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, and try to limit your intake of sugary and processed foods. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is important for overall health, and it can also help support your weight loss efforts. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Weight loss can take time, and it's important to be patient and consistent with your running and healthy eating habits. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any health conditions or injuries. They can help you determine the best plan for your needs and goals.